In doing a 1313 while I'm back in another banger unboxing review. Today we got the Lawnmower Man, guys. A killer. It's a guy who runs people with the freaking lawnmower, guys. Like, God made him simple. Science made him a god. Collector's Edition Blue. It stars the guy from Psycho 3. Dazzling computer animation and special effects. Really fucking good, guys. It's like really long movie, I think. Oh, mine's just 108 minutes, guys. Let's open it. Hack of it tonight. Skin came out Fortnite. This movie looks really scary, guys. Really fucking scary. You rolled a Russian land. Oh shit. Human centipede. What's this? Think that guy was James Bond? Think that guy's Psycho 3? Ooh, this cover's good too. This movie looks frick. He was the man to please, though it was real great when he had a good squeeze. Then one night stop and bye.